energy is essential to life on Earth. Living things must acquire energy and manage it properly. This enables creatures to live in extreme climates, move with speed, and travel vast distances. The wandering albatross flies thousands of kilometers to find food, but it can stay up in the air for days at a time, rarely flapping its wings. How? It rides the wind like a roller coaster, diving toward the water, turning, rising in repeated arcs. This efficient use of the wind's energy is known as dynamic soaring. The albatross has the longest wingspan of any bird, about 3.5 meters or over 11 feet. It has a special tendon for each shoulder, enabling it to lock its wings in place at will, like an aeroplane's fixed wings. Because of this, it doesn't tire out from keeping those long wings extended, and can continue that pattern virtually without end. Other birds carefully conserve energy to stay warm in cold conditions. They stand and walk on ice for extended periods of time without freezing. How? As their blood circulates, energy is transferred through a process known as countercurrent heat exchange. If a warm fluid runs in the same direction alongside a cool fluid, at best 50% of the heat is transmitted. But if the fluids run in opposite directions, nearly all of the heat is transmitted. The veins and arteries in the legs of seagulls, geese, and penguins act this way. This highly efficient system maintains the body's core temperature while leaving just enough heat in the bird's feet to keep them from freezing. But what about creatures facing the opposite extreme? What if instead of conserving energy, they need to lose some? Silver ants of the Sahara Desert live in one of the hottest places on Earth. They forage for food when temperatures on the desert floor are as high as 70 degrees Celsius or 158 degrees Fahrenheit. To survive, they reflect and dissipate energy. The secret is its hair. While some animals rely on hair to keep warm, the silver ant uses its hair to stay cool. How? The ant's hairs are triangular-shaped tubes. Like carefully crafted prisms, they reflect the hottest wavelengths of sunlight and dissipate heat. Some researchers think it may tolerate heat better than any other animal on the planet. In the natural world, animals acquire, conserve, and manage energy in remarkably efficient ways. What do you think? Did the ability of animals to manage energy evolve? Or was it designed?